Hello everybody, welcome to another Illustrator CS6 tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix what's going on when you start putting in too much text into a text box and it doesn't all show up. So that's called overflow type, and I'm just basically going to show you how to work around with that. So the first thing is you want to make a text box and you want to paste your text in it. And when you do that, this red plus sign here will show up if you have too much text that doesn't fit in the box. So one way you can fix this is by double clicking on the red plus sign, and it'll create a another box here that keeps the sentence going. If you keep on double clicking the boxes, you'll get a couple more boxes. If you move them around, you can see that they're connected by these threads, and this is called threading the type, and threading the overflow type is actually what it's called. So they just pretty much continue the sentences on into the next text box, and when you double click, it just makes a text box the same exact size and puts it a little bit to the bottom right. So I'm going to hit Control Z and make it so I don't have any of those anymore. Now, for terminology purposes, in case somebody asks you, there's this box right here that's called the out port, and that's because when you create a thread, it's going to line up and connect to the import of another overflow text. So let's get going on to other ways. Now go ahead and have your selection tool selected and click on your text, and then just click on the button once, and when you do, your icon will change to some kind of like a piece of paper with writing on it or something. And what you want to do is go ahead and drag another text box out, and then it will fill up the amount of text on there. And if you draw your text box too small, you might have to draw another one. It's up to you, the size that you want. But the thread is here again, and it has everything in it. So remember this right here, that's the import, and then this is the output that I was talking, or my bad, I got it mixed up. This is the output because the rest of the text is going out into this one. So this is the import here. And you only really need to know that if someone says the terminology to you. You don't want to not know what it is, because that sometimes that makes people think you don't know what you're doing. All right, so let's see. There are some more things that you can do. You can create a text area and be able to type within that. So I'm going to make a text area by using my area type tool and just clicking, and I've got that here. So there's my text area. And I'm going to click on this once to get my icon that I had and move over to where the text area is. And when I get this chain link going on here, click. And then that's going to put the rest of the text into the text area that I just made. Now, if you want to unthread this, all you need to do is make sure you have your selection icon and double click path here, or the thread there. And let me get to it. Yep, and now it is not threaded anymore. So you just either double click on the import or the output of the selected object that you have. And I'm going to go back, undo. All right. And the next thing I want to show you is how to unthread or disconnect a type object. So make sure you have your selection tool selected again, and you want to select a threaded type object that you want to release or disconnect, so this one. And you're going to go up to the type menu, and we're going to go to threaded text here, and we're going to either click on remove threading, or we're going to just click on let's click on remove threading. So that's another way there. So now the threading is removed, and they're two separate texts, and they aren't linked to each other anymore. And that's pretty much it. That's it for threading text, I think. Yep. So that's how you work with the overflow text and get that into like a workable situation for you. So without having to resize the text box. So if you pretty much, let me go back. If you just want to have all this in the same box, all you need to do is just resize your text box, and will be in there. Just resize it big enough, and it'll all be in there. So that's it for the tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.